Introducing the Cordura 30D water-resistant nylon 66 fabric superior wear resistance, tear resistance, and high strength. Ultra-light 96 grams for a whole set. It won't add weight to your luggage. SBS zipper, durable and reinforced handle. Compressed additional zippers help remove the air and compress the bags. We also present the Bagaill Clear Packing Cubes PVC, transparent, prevent you from opening every cube to try to find what you need. Double zippers make it easier to access the content. Handle reinforced and sturdy. Double stitching connection makes the handle much more durable. We also invite you to use the system on our website to organize your package correctly. Book a hotel, plane ticket, and much more.